what's first? What do you need to start thinking about now?
Yeah, people don't plan because they don't know where to start, they don't know who to talk to, and they're scared of the cost. We try to address all that in these workshops that we do. We want to provide education. Making an informed choice about how to move forward with planning is very important. Everybody wants to avoid probate.
Well, yeah.
That
means someone else is taking care of it.
Right. They've read the war stories about, other people that have been in probate, and they want to avoid that. We also want to help you figure out how to avoid future family conflict. We talk in our workshop about, kids surviving heirs. They may fight about a lot of things, sometimes money.
Sure.
But most of the time it's the china or the hutch,
property,
or it's the things.
That can get complicated.
It's sentimental value, and just having a discussion about the whole process and how to organize your information, your assets, what to identify, because it's a daunting task for our children or the heirs to our estate if we don't give them direction. And they're going to be lost and not know what to do.
Well, is this the idea? Is it a good idea to go to the seminar so that you even know what subjects to approach with your family?
That's right. I mean, come for education.
I have a question. So before I go to that workshop, do I need to do my homework and know kind of like where my assets are before I come to you, or will you give me that list when I'm there?
We're gonna help you with direction. You can come to the workshop with a blank piece of paper and take notes.
Okay.
That's what we want you to do. Ask questions, take notes, try to learn that it doesn't have to be as complicated as what our friends and family have told us, that's a daunting task. Educate yourself on maybe what direction you want your estate to go if you're not here tomorrow.
And that's kind of what you mentioned earlier. If it goes to probate, someone who has no idea what your wishes are
That's right.
will be making those decisions.
And no one wants that.
No.
At the end of the day, we don't want probate to decide who gets what and when. And I wouldn't want to open up my entire estate for public viewing.